Hello, welcome to I Heart Kenya. For today's look, we're going to be doing this smoky, sultry, very sexy, smoky eye look inspired by Jayda Wayda. So if you would like to see how we achieve this look, then keep on watching.
Doing your work.
So as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows. I've filled them in and concealed them. So we're going to go straight into the eyes. I'm going to be using the Benefit Brow Gel to serve as a base for our eyeshadow look. It doesn't have to be perfect, just work on getting it to the lid first and then we'll blend out everything later. So depending on how dark you want it to be, you can either use a lot of the cream foundation or just a little bit, depending on the intensity that you want for your eye look. So you can pull it up as much as you want. I'm taking mine up a little bit higher because I want to really smoke it out. So if you just want a small smoky eye, then just do it small. Don't take it as far as this. Yeah, I know it looks crazy, but it's going to come together. Trust the process. Okay, I think that's about it. I'm going to do the same for the other eye. Now I'm going to go into the ZK palette and take that dark shade and pop it on the lid. Don't blend it out, just pack it into the lid. We're going to blend out with a different shade later on. So now using a clean brush, I'm going to dip into the orange shade that I just showed you, and I'm going to use it to diffuse the edges. Go like under this. So I've completed the other look off camera, just so we don't lose the smokiness of the eye. I'm going to go back into the deeper shade and pack that on the crease, just to build the intensity, because it's a little bit lost after we blended everything out. So just pack that into the lid. And then we're going to blend out the edges and we're going to be done with this eye look. So now I'm just going to blend out the edges and finish off this look. So in order to get the best results for this kind of look, you just have to keep going back and forth between the colors until you are satisfied here. So just blend the edges, don't touch the lid, and our look is going to be done. So that's it for the eyes, guys. I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera, and then I'm going to come back and bring the colors down for the under eye. So I've finished the rest of my makeup, and now as I'm setting, we're going to do the under eye. So first, taking a black eye pencil, I'm going to line the under eye. So I'm going to go in with the dark brown shade and put that next to the waterline, just next to the waterline. We won't smoke it out. So for this you would need a really small detailed brush, otherwise you're going to get it everywhere. So make sure to reach for that. You see, it's really pigmented. So I'll do the same for the other eye. So to finish off this under eye look, I'm going to go in with the same orange shade that I used to smoke out the top of the lid and smoke it out further. Okay, so now that we have one eye finished, it's smoked out, it looks perfect, it looks very, very, very nice. So I'm going to do the same for this other eye. So guys, this is the finished look. I went ahead and did the rest of my makeup off camera, and I decided to go with a glossy lip. Tell me if you like it, because I like it. The look turned out so well, and thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Let me give it a